I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we have an Amazon unboxing. Okay, so I bought some things from Amazon, I believe, yesterday. Quick delivery. Let's see what we got. Okay, so first looks like the bathroom curtain. I got a nice all black bathroom curtain. I believe this was like, I think this is like $8, $9 for a nice bathroom curtain. It's all black, you know, just to match the color of the rest of the bathroom. But we have a nice bathroom curtain for about, or shower curtain for about $9, I believe. It was, I think it was like $8.99, a very affordable price. Okay, next over here. Okay, let's see what this is. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, socks. Yes. Always we got a lot of socks here. Size 13. Well, 10 to 13 socks. I believe I bought like 16 pair, right? I can't remember the price of this. I gotta be very honest. But I did buy a lot of pairs of socks. Let me see. This looks about 16 or something like that. So we got a bunch of socks, 10 to 13. But I cannot remember the price of these socks. But, you know, always want to get fresh new socks, right? Always want to get fresh new socks. That's pretty good. But a very affordable price for these socks. Like I said, I can't remember the price specifically, but it had to be affordable. But 16 pair of socks. Okay, what's this? Probably just open this up. Looks like we got a nice controller here. Okay. I have the absolute worst luck when it comes to controllers. Obviously, if I'm buying a new one for my PS4, I'm not really a gamer or anything like that. I have a full-time job, so I really don't play video games enough. But, you know, when it's a good time to play some video games, it's really fun to play video games. So, definitely good to have a new controller. Oh, man, I've had the absolute worst luck with controllers. The last controller I purchased for my PS4 literally broke within a month. And like I said, I'm not the biggest gamer in the world, right? So it's definitely disappointing when controllers break that quick, but these seem really sturdy, right? They're pretty warm because they were outside for about 15 minutes here in Las Vegas, and it's still about 100 degrees. Yeah, it's definitely warm. I'm glad I picked them out of the sun, but a nice new controller. The controllers, I believe I bought two. I believe there's another one in here somewhere. Oh, that's in the same box. Okay, and you see this is the wire. You have to connect this to the controller and connect it to the PS5, the PS4, excuse me, I have a PS4. When you want to connect it efficiently, you just turn it on, you turn your system on, you connect this to your controller, and then you turn your controller on, and that's how it connects. And then you can unplug it, and it'll be wireless Viva Bluetooth. But you do have to connect your controller to this wire when you want to first sync up the controller. But yeah, like I said, because I bought one a month ago, this was a different brand that I purchased. This time I bought two, right? Because like I said, with that controller breaking within a month, very disappointing. I had no voice chat. My right ear wasn't working. I was just like, this is a complete disaster. But pretty dope, right? Two dope controllers, right? If you think about it, I kind of like these. I thought I purchased two of the same color, but I guess I didn't. But two nice controllers. If one breaks, hopefully the other one will hold up for longer than, you know, at least 6 months, right? Or something like that. But that's for my PS4. Like I said, I'm not the biggest gamer in the world. You know, I have to work full time. But, you know, when I have some time to play some video games, I definitely am happy playing some video games with my PS4. You know, if I ever get a PS5, the only reason I would get a PS5 is when Grand Theft Auto 6 comes out. You know, most of the PS5 games are on PS4, so it's really not that different. But when GTA 5, GTA 6 comes out next year, 2026, is when I will consider moving up to a PS5. But until then, you know, I don't play video games that much. PS4 is definitely more than enough for me. Okay, so we got two new controllers. We'll be hopefully trying those on tonight. And then we have the wire. As I said, you have to connect, turn your PS4, PS5 on, connect this wire to the controller, turn the controller on, and then boom, it's synced up. That's a good one. Okay, what is this? I'm assuming these are probably more socks. Get this out of here. Right. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna go old school. Yeah, there we go. More socks. You can never have enough clean white socks, right? Definitely I actually normally wear like black socks and stuff. I just wanted to try white socks this time, you know what I'm saying? But a nice 16 pairs of socks right there. That's pretty good, right? Always good to get some fresh socks. I remember for like Christmas, when I was younger, I would be getting socks, and I'd be really, really thankful because, you know, socks are just dope. They just feel good, you know? New socks, they just always feel good, right? And like I said, I couldn't remember the price for these, but I did get 16 pairs, you know, 16 pairs of socks. That's a, you know, you could wear, you know, 2 weeks straight of, you know, new, fresh socks. That's always great. And then you wash them, right? You wash them once, and then you have another 2 weeks. So, I mean, we got a whole month supply of socks just on one wash right here, right? But I couldn't remember the price for the low cut, crew cut, I think it's crew cut or low cut socks, but very affordable, right? 16 pairs, that's great in total. That's a really, really good price. Got some baking soda peroxide toothpaste. I do remember the price of this. This was, I believe, it was like $4 and like, let's just say $5, I believe. I believe this is $5 for a 2-pack of toothpaste. You know, just being lazy. It's really hot in Vegas, so sometimes, you know, going all the way over to the supermarket or local store to get toothpaste is just a bit much. It's nice to just, you know, get a nice value pack of toothpaste for, you know, especially 2 packs, as you can see. This should be 2 packs in here. You know, you'll be surprised. Some of the times you go to the supermarket and one toothpaste is like $5, $6, right? So we get a nice 2 pair of Colgate, you know, baking soda peroxide whitening toothpaste, right? $5, very good deal, right? I feel like this is a good deal. I had to pick this up, right? That's not bad. Look at this. This is underrated, man, you know? Like I said, I live in Vegas. It gets really hot. It's nice to just as soon as I wake up, just to get a nice morning fresh facial cleanser, right? Just to get me to wake up. It's really, really hot outside. Also, I use this, I know it says morning fresh, it's not always for morning. I use this at nighttime after I get home, after sweating all day when I'm walking outside in Las Vegas. So, you know, a nice facial cleaner. I don't know, I think this was about $5 also. I can't remember specifically. I don't believe this was more than $10 or anything like that. It could have been $8.99 or $4.99, one of those two prices, but I believe it may have been closer to like $5 or $8. I can't remember specifically, but a very affordable value price, and you can see this is some kind of ginseng and vitamin C, right? That's, you know, that's a nice way to wake up in the morning, or even at night. Like I said, after the day you come home all sweaty, you know, you just throw this on real quick, a nice facial cleanser. Definitely need to be using a lot more of these, especially in the summertime here in Las Vegas. But so this is, you know, 8 ounces, very, you know, very useful. You just put a little drop on your face, a little drop in your hands, and you get a lot out of this. So this is going to be used all the time, but you know, it looks like I have a lot in here that I could use at any time, right? Very, very affordable. Like I said, I believe this was about maybe like $5 or like $8. It wasn't like $20 or anything like that. This is Amazon Basics, as you can see. So a very affordable price, and very, very, very useful, especially living here in Las Vegas. And the last part is this one. I didn't even believe this at first, man. This is like a 90 pack of emergency or something like that. Look at this. So we got a 90 pack of emergency. And now this price was ridiculous, because this was like $27.99 or something like that, right? Right. Once again, just like when I get the toothpaste, like I said, you can go to some supermarkets and toothpaste is like easily $5-6, right? So when I go to a local supermarket and I see emergency, I haven't seen emergency a 30 pack for like less than what, $15 recently or anything like that, right? Like just for like a 30 pack, right? I've seen, at least here in Vegas, I've definitely seen some pretty pricey prices for just a 30 pack of emergency. So when I saw 90 pack, right? I don't know if this comes with extra 3 free also. No? Okay. Guess not. No, just a nice 30 pack. Yeah, so a 90 pack of emergency. You know, you could use 1 a day, maybe 2 a day, with every about 16 ounces of water. You know, I also throw some of these in my Gatorade with water, dilute the Gatorade with water, and then throw in some emergency. You know, it's just really healthy. It's really good for you, and a very affordable price. Like I said, the first time I saw it and it said 90 packs for like $30, I couldn't even believe. I was just like, that doesn't even seem possible, because you can get, you know, like a 30 pack for almost $20. So man, I'm definitely, this is not the first time I've done this. I think this is the second time I've purchased, or maybe even the third time I purchased the 90 pack off Amazon. But this was, I believe, like $27.99. It wasn't like $35 or anything like that. Maybe after taxes or something like that. But for the most part, it was like $27, maybe $29 before taxes. Yeah, so pretty good. You know, we got a lot of stuff from this Amazon unpacking. Got emergency, got Colgate, got some face wash, got some 2 controllers, a knife, a nice black shower curtain, and a lot of socks. 16 pairs of socks. Like I said, I couldn't remember the price of the socks, but probably very affordable. A nice 16 pair, almost a month worth of socks. You know, love fresh pairs of socks, right? But yeah, let me know your opinion of this Amazon unboxing. Have you made any purchases on Amazon? Are you looking to make any purchases on Amazon these next upcoming months? This is basically the holiday season. Today is Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. I'm Jason. The world is yours. This was a Amazon unboxing. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.